Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we will solve some high order thinking skills MCQ questions on rational numbers. Our topic is rational numbers. We solve some high order thinking skills questions that related to rational numbers. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel first. Then please hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathscreate.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of other state boards, ICSE, CBSE and state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we solve some HOTS question, HOTS high order thinking skill MCQ questions. The positive rational number is, the options are 1 divided by -3, -1 divided by 6, minus of -2 divided by 3 and minus of 1 divided by 2. First option is 1 divided by -3. This can be written as -1 divided by 3. -1 moves to the numerator and now it becomes the negative -1, that is negative integer -1 and divided by positive integer 3. Then second bit is minus of 1 divided by 6. This is also a negative rational number. First option is negative rational number. Second option also negative rational number, as negative sign is there. And third option is minus of -2 divided by 3. We know minus multiplied with minus is plus. So this will be 2 divided by 3. And fourth option is minus of 1 divided by 2, and this will be minus of 1 divided by 2, and this is also a negative rational number. So the positive rational number will be 2 divided by 3. So option 3 is correct. Option 3. Now question number, the P divided by Q form of 0.9 bar is. We have to find this bar numbers, that is repeating decimal numbers into the rational number P divided by Q form. So 0.9 bar. Let x is 0.9 bar. Then what will be 10x? 10x will be 9 point. This 9 moves to the right hand side. Then it will be 9 point left hand side. Then it will be 9.9 bar. Then after 0.9 bar, 0. Only 9 bar is present in x, and in 10x 9.9 bar after 9.9 bar. So we have to subtract 10x and x. 10x minus x is 9.9 bar minus 0.9 bar. Now 10x minus x is 9x, and 9.9 bar minus 0.9 bar is 9. Now x will be 9 divided by 9, that is equal to 1, and our answer will be option 2, that is 1. Now the question is, the rational number in standard form is. The options are 3 divided by 9, option 2 is 31 divided by 39, and option 3 is 9 divided by 99, and option 4 is 32 divided by 48. First option is 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9. Between these two numbers, numerator and denominator 3 and 9, the common factor, that is highest common factor, HCF is 3. 3 is the common factor between 3 and 9. So we have to divide 3 with both numerator and denominator. Either 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now this is in the standard form, 1 divided by 3, and this is not in the standard form. 3 divided by 9 is not in the standard form. So this will be incorrect. Next option is 31 divided by 39. 31 divided by 39. In this numerator and denominator 31 and 39, there is no common factors between these 31 and 39. Only one is the common factor between 31 and 39. So we have to divide 31 divided by 39 with 1, and this will be the same rational number. So 31 divided by 39 is in the standard form. So this will be correct. 31 divided by 39 is, this rational number is in the standard form. 9 divided by 99. 9 divided by 99, this is 9, and between 9 and 99, 9 is the common factor. So we have to divide 9 and 99 with 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 99 divided by 9 is 11. And 1 divided by 11 is in the standard form. So 9 divided by 99 is not in the standard form. So this will also be incorrect. 32 divided by 48. 32 and 48. Between 32 and 48, 16 is the common factor. So we have to divide 32 with 16, we get 2, and 48 with 16, we get 3. Now 2 divided by 3, and 2 divided by 3 is the standard form of this rational number 32 divided by 48. So this is also incorrect. So our answer will be 31 divided by 39. Option 2 is correct. Now the question is, the additive inverse of minus a divided by b is. We know additive inverse is the opposite sign. That is, if the rational number is positive, then the additive inverse of that positive rational number will be negative, and if the rational number is negative, then the additive inverse of that rational number will be positive. So minus a divided by b. So additive inverse of minus a divided by b will be minus of minus a divided by b. This will be minus multiplied with minus is plus, so it will be a divided by b. So our answer will be a divided by b, that is option 3. Option 3 is correct. Now question is, the multiplication of a rational number with 0. We know any number multiplied with the number 0, we get the number 0. So multiplication of a rational number with 0 will be 0. Any number we multiply with 0, we get the number 0. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.